how you could do that. So when we get back to class on Thursday, I'll encourage everybody to use an AI, doesn't matter which one, but generate some iconic locations on the screen on Thursday. And then on your own, you're going to start learning about where these places are. So when you watch the movie, you'll say, "Hey, I know that place. Oh yeah, I pass that place every week." That kind of thing. It'll be pretty exciting. So I'll give you a demonstration. Um, Multiple AI services. They're all over the place. So I'm going to use Gemini. Okay, this one's used with Google. So I'm going to ask Gemini to give me a name of, okay, I don't want to download anything, forget that. Give me the name of a location in Boston. There, that's the one. You can see that icon that looks like a star. Here we go. Come on, come on, come on. All right. Chat with Gemini. All right. No thanks. So please give me a few locations, the locations in Boston that are seen in the movie The Instigators. Now, here, this is how I use it. So just a general question. Okay, who can identify some of these locations? Can I get a volunteer to read this?
Fenway Park, the historic home of Boston Red Sox. Fenway Park is a major landmark in the city and a popular tourist destination. It was featured prominently in the movie with scenes filmed both inside and outside the stadium.
Very good. So maybe when you're watching the movie, if you're not familiar with the sport baseball, because it's an American sport, and you'll say, "Oh, I know exactly where that is." Volunteer for this one.
Me, teacher.
Go for it.
Okay. Pinoil Hall, this 18th century's marketplace is located in the heart of Boston downtown area. It is a popular spot for shopping, dining, and the people watching, and it was also featured on the Instigators.
Very good.
Teacher,
Yes, Arlinda.
this article is in the classroom because I can't see well in the screen. It's so like
Don't
some
worry,
shadow.
that's because there's a delay on your screen. You can watch the recording, Arlinda. Don't worry.
Okay.
All right. Do I have a volunteer to read this one?
Your
Me,
teacher.
teacher.
Me.
I
Okay.
think that was Indira first.
Okay. City Hall Plaza, this large public space, is located in front of Boston City Hall. It is often used for concerts, festivals, and other events, and it was also fe- featured in the movie.
Great. Okay. The name here is not, it's Malachi's. Malachi's. Anybody want to read this one?
Me teacher.
Mm-hmm. Go for it.
Malachi Salon. This bar and restaurant is located in the Quincy neighborhood of Boston. It was featured in The Investigators as the fictional bar where the characters often hang out.
Very good. And then this does actually offer a few places in Google Maps. There we go. So when you're trying to learn about these places, there we go. City Hall Plaza. There, no. If you're using an AI like this, uh, what would be another question to ask? Because this, like I said in class yesterday, what an AI does is it essentially saves you time doing all of the searching yourself, and you can direct it to get what you want and save you a lot of time. Would anybody like to ask another question regarding locations shot in the movie? Any more questions? Now I'll show you where can I find photos of scenes from the instigators shot in Fenway Park. So where could I find some? And then it's going to direct me there. Okay, so you may look on Apple TV where you can watch the movie, but it won't let me share my screen on Zoom. It's okay, we'll watch it. You may look on Instagram, TikTok, and so forth. Okay. Use relevant hashtags like following the X feeds or the Instagram feeds of various places. You could also search here. So it's telling me where to go. If I can't find what I'm looking for, it's telling me where to go. So this is an appropriate use of an AI. And we'll do more of this. Oh, this is good. Check movie and news websites and blogs that cover Boston area filming. They might have articles with photos from the set. Very good. Okay. Remember that as a movie, this is relatively new, more photos of behind the scenes footage. So does everybody see how I'm using this to help me find what I'm looking for? This is something we're going to practice in class. So it's an appropriate use of an AI when you're trying to find certain bits of information to save you lots and lots and lots of time and help you find information that you otherwise might not get. All right, that's it. We'll do this in class, and I will see you on Thursday. Bye-bye.
Ciao.
Okay.
See you,
Ciao,
teacher. Thank you so much.
Have a
Thank you.
wonderful day. Bye-bye.
Thursday.